Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the mail, I got the 10th anniversary limited special edition. That is a lot of a lot to say. Limited special edition. So it's, yeah, this is the 10th anniversary of Secret Garden from Johanna Basford. I love the cover, like adding the copper and gold elements. It's really pretty. So it does have some brand new illustrations in here, along with the originals. But this was available to pre-order on Amazon, and now you can purchase it. Even says right here, first published in Great Britain in 2013. So yeah, it's crazy that this has been around for 10 years. I'm curious to see what the new ones are and if I'll be able to spot them. Wonder if they're all at the back. Because yeah, these are all the originals. I will admit, Secret Garden was not like one of my favorites. Her older work was just too much for me. It wasn't until Ivy and the Inky Butterfly that I really got into Johanna Basford, and I was like, oh, okay, her stuff's pretty cool. But you can't have a limited edition book out and I not buy it. And see, like on these, on her older books, she used to do this. You're meant to do all the designs here, add all the illustrations, and she'll have like prompts and stuff. And then like she had hidden objects, but they're not like the mythographic ones where they were clunky and out, in the way. They actually were in and part of the illustration, like a butterfly or a key, stuff like that. So she does that, but it doesn't take away, and it's not on every single page. So it was like a fun little adventure. This one always daunted me. I'm like, how am I gonna color that? Really sharp pencil or some fine liners? See like how it's all detailed here. The detail stops. You could add the detail and then complete it. I've never actually done that in her books where they had you do it. Probably should, just for fun. It's like this one, add the details. I hope I remember this double page spread. I mean, this is one of the first adult coloring books I ever purchased. So that means I've been doing this for a while. Wow. When you stop and think about it, you're like, ooh. But yeah, I remember getting this and Enchanted Forest. Those were like the first real books, as I used to call them. Because the other ones I got were kind of like no-name artists, super cheap. And then I was also using like really cheap pencils back then. And I upgraded to Prismas. Oh, the memories are all coming back. Like gosh. So when I had my daughter, I just bought this cheap 150 count set of pencils. No name brand. Not even around. Then I switched to Marco Raffines, which I thought were like, oh my gosh, these are so amazing. And then I got Prisma. And I actually hated Prisma when I first started using them. And now you can't tear me away from them. I had a learning curve. I was going from Marco Raffines, which are a very hard lead, not a lot of pigment. They're not an awful pencil, but I went from that to Prisma, which are soft and creamy. Oh, I think, okay, here we go. Look at that. Ooh, fun. I love her mushrooms. And then, oh, okay, we're going on the other side too. So these are awesome. I like that. Okay. And then this is the key. I could not tell what the new images were, unless it's just that pull out, but I don't think so. So yeah, the key. And then on her cover, like I used to want to color the cover, but I've never gotten around to it. So I'm always curious if anyone else has done the covers of theirs or not. I started it on one of her books. Can't remember which book though. It was with Prismas. I think it's one of my Magical Jungle copies. But yeah, that is the 10th anniversary limited special edition. I just think there's too many words up in there. Just call it limited edition or something. But this is awesome because she's been around for, or this book has been around for 10 years, but she's been around even longer. But kind of, it's nostalgic in a way. So yeah, let me know if you ended up pre-ordering the 10th anniversary limited special edition book or not, or if you have plans on getting it. You know, really, it's a collection type of thing. To me, it's more kind of like celebrating the fact that you have the original from 10 years ago and then getting this one. So it's really not like a must buy or something like that, but it's definitely a collector's type of thing in my opinion. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me and flipping through and having a little nostalgic moment. And until next time, take care. Bye now.